Hello everyone, this is Chandrasekhar here. Welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll talk about one of the most important questions which is in mind of almost every DevOps engineer at this point. Will AI replace DevOps engineer? So please stay in this video till the end so that you get to know everything about whether it's going to replace challenges which DevOps engineer will face or some tech stack which DevOps engineer has to change. I'll start my discussion with a great quote by CEO of Adobe who says, people who use AI will replace those who don't. Now, every few years, the tech industry hits a moment, and that moment forces everyone to stop and rethink their future. In 2009 to 2014, that was the time when CI/CD, automation, agile delivery, these all things came in. In 2015 to 2019, this was the time when containers, microservices, cloud native applications, these all things have redefined concept of scalability. There was a time of 2020 to 2023 when GitOps, infrastructure as a code, security as a code, these things were more and more mature. Now is the time which wherein AI is evolving. AI is the next evolution point. We have reached the era where DevOps pipelines can think, predict, self-heal, and this all is because of AI. This is the moment for DevOps. With AI tools now capable of writing pipelines, generating infrastructure as a code, analyzing logs, and even predicting outages, a question has started. And this is the question which I'm going to talk about a lot, which is whether AI replaced DevOps engineer. So let's first understand why people think AI will replace DevOps engineer. So now AI is accelerating at a pace which no one has expected till today. Today, Gen AI and automation tools can already generate CI/CD pipelines. They can build ISC modules, YAML files. They can identify root causes from logs, can suggest fixes from infrastructure issues, can auto scale cluster, and also can optimize cloud cost. They can write some monitoring rules. They can predict incidents before even they occur. Now the question comes, if tools can do all this, then what is the need of DevOps engineer? And that is where this fear comes in. So in order to understand this, first let's try to understand the evolution of DevOps from automation to intelligence, how it evolved from normal automation to today's world's intelligence. We'll talk about that. So DevOps, like the way we always knew, was never just about tools. It was a cultural evolution. It brought developers and IT operations together. And this helped to shorten delivery cycles. This helped to improve collaborations and also increased reliability. Now, AI isn't replacing DevOps. It's reprogramming. AI is reprogramming entire DevOps life cycle, DevOps framework. With AI, we'll get more predictive deployments. AI models will be able to analyze historical deployment data, which will be with which it will be able to forecast risks before code hits production. Instead of reacting to failures, teams will now prevent failures. Some of the intelligent monitoring with the use of AI ops, we will be able to get AI driven monitoring tools like Datadogs, Watchdog, New Relic AI will come in, Dynatrace Davis will come in. These all things will be able to automatically detect anomalies, will be able to correlate alerts, and will be able to suggest more remediations faster than any DevOps engineer. With the use of AI, we'll get smart automation. Machine learning will improve auto scaling, will improve rollback, and also will optimize our pipelines. CI/CD systems will be able to self-tune, will be able to build concurrence stages easily. It will be able to detect all the flaky tests and will also optimize caching, which will enhance performance. Now, let's try to understand the role of a DevOps engineer in today's world. What is actually the role of DevOps engineer? What a DevOps engineer is doing? So, DevOps engineer today is basically bridging the gap. between development and operations. They handle tasks like managing CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure provisioning and automation. They are able to monitor application performance. They are ensuring security and compliances. They are also initiating or doing collaboration between teams. Now, how AI will change DevOps? That is one of the most important thing which we need to understand. How AI will be able to change this entire DevOps framework, and that is where we need to focus. Now, the with the use of AI, with the use of machine learning tools, these will make DevOps more smarter, more efficient. With the use of AI, we'll have more automated testing. AI will help in generating test cases, will be able to detect bugs, will be able to optimize results faster than manual processes. It will be able to do predictive analysis, will be able to do intelligent monitoring, will be able to perform lots of resource optimization also. AI will ensure better utilization of cloud resources, which will help us to reduce normal cloud costs. It will help us to have more security enhancements. AI will definitely improve threat detections and will also help us to manage anomaly detections. Now the question comes, will AI replace DevOps engineer? So in very simple words, no. AI will not be able to, will never be able to replace DevOps engineers. Rather, AI will change DevOps engineers' role. All the repetitive and time consuming tasks which were done by DevOps engineers will be automated. Engineers will focus more on strategy, architecture, problem solving skills. Now, new roles will evolve like AI ops engineer, DevOps plus AI specialist. These roles will emerge in future. So now what will be the future of DevOps with AI? With the evolvement of AI, with the enhancement of AI, the future of DevOps will also change. The future will be about collaboration between DevOps engineers and AI. DevOps engineer who will embrace AI will deliver faster and more reliable deployments, will be able to reduce downtime and operational costs, will be able to enhance overall system security and scalability. So with AI, lots of things will change. I'll end my discussion with a quote by CEO of Box who says AI is not a productivity enhancer. It is not a job eliminator. It helps companies grow and potentially increase hirings. So there will be more opportunities. The thing is how you being a DevOps engineer will be able to change your tech stack, learn more and more AI tools and try to fit in your AI in your DevOps stages, in your DevOps life cycles. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you liked it. In case if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that my video could reach to a wider audience. Thank you everyone.